Hello and welcome to Alison and George's adventure aboard the Indian Pacific. Travelling 4,352 kilometres on the world's longest track from Sydney to Perth. We hope you enjoy. This morning I am in sunny Sydney. It's absolutely pouring with rain, but it's very, very mild and probably I would consider humid coming from Melbourne. Last night I met up with Alison, who flew to Sydney, and I caught the New South Wales train link. We are on our way at lunchtime today to get on the Indian Pacific and head across the country to Perth. Go to a footy match over there, go down to Margaret River, catch up with Graham and Tim, and just have a wonderful, hopefully relaxing time away together. I'm very, very excited. I'm ready. It's 5 to 8. I said we'd meet up at 9, but I am ready to rumble like usual, but that's fine. And yeah, we will get ourselves a coffee, work out what to do with our luggage, and head off to Central Station where we will get this trip going. See ya. Getting ready to go on the Indian Pacific in a lounge. I can't remember the name. We do have rooms next to each other, so they have accommodated our needs. And we'll see you on the train. Beautiful. Broken Hill. Let's go see.
There's enough reserves in the mine to last around about 2035. So still a few years left in us yet. And of course this morning we're off to the Regional Art Gallery. Anybody that's not going to the art gallery's on the wrong bus, but I just got to work my way into this peak hour traffic. just try and sneak in here somewhere. Wouldn't you know there's a car coming? This street we're turning in now is called Crystal Street, and a lot of the streets at Broken Hill are named after minerals, metals, elements, compounds, prominent Broken Hill people, ex-mayors, town clerks, mine managers, all that type of thing. In its heyday, Broken Hill had 35,000 people in Broken Hill. Today we're down to 18,000. In it was 1972. The North Mine closed. In 1993 the South Mine closed, and since that time the population has decreased down to where it is today. Just down on our left hand side in a moment you'll see the Barrier Social Democratic Club. It's one of our 4 registered clubs that are still operating today. The poker machine, bar facilities and dining. Over on the right hand corner in a moment you'll see the Palace Hotel. Anybody seen Priscilla, Queen of the Desert, the movie, would remember the paintings and murals on the wall, the ceilings. Just over there on the left hand corner is our war memorial that was erected after the First World War. And then our courthouse, which was opened back in 1889, still operating today. The red brick building was opened back in 1900, that's part of the TAFE these days. And then there's the old police station that is going to be a museum eventually, but they built a new police station, opened about 3 years ago. And there's the facade of the old town hall. And here's Shalita and the walk tour.
Oh, where are they? Where are they?
They're here.
Oh, they're
Here, across the road.
And on the corner, of course, is the town post office. It's got a clock tower. It got 4 dials up in the clock tower, and they all keep. No, come on, mate. They all keep central standard time. Broken Hill is the only town or city in New South Wales that I'm aware of that's on central standard time.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh, fell down chute, caught in machinery, no details. Oh, that's heartbreaking. currently the longest stretch of train line in the world. We're on the Nullarbor Plains, and we're about 45 minutes from the town of Cook, which has all its buildings but no residents anymore. So we're going to get off and have a little look around, apparently refill the water on the train and get back on our way.